You go hiking? You wanna go hiking? Huh? Wanna go hiking? Wanna go hiking? Huh? We're gonna go hiking? Let's go hiking. Come on, let's go hiking. Come on, let's go hiking. Hello everybody. All right, we are on our way to Devil's Lake State Park near Baraboo, Wisconsin. It's about a 45-minute drive to get there. It's a 14.7 mile loop in which we're not doing 14.7 miles today. So I'll have to figure out it's kind of a loop, so I'm not quite sure. I'll have to look at that because it'd sure be nice to go like halfway, but I don't know if I can, I don't know. We'll figure something out. It's one of those things that if it's a 14.7 mile loop, boy, that would take me probably 4 times to do because, well, I don't know. We'll see what, I know there's a couple of trailheads, so we'll see what we got going on. But anyhow, because I can't handle 14 miles, and I know that Baxter can't handle 14 plus miles. I used to could. Actually, I probably could if I really wanted to, but Baxter can't. So, yeah, there's that. The weather for today, well, you can kind of see out behind me. It's actually snowing. We've got snow flurries, I suppose, throughout the day, off and on. But that's all right. We got to get out of that apartment. We got to get out of that apartment. That's rough, don't we? Especially him. He just hates being cooped up. It's getting too warm in here. Holy moly, Baxter. Why'd you turn the heat up so much? But anyhow, so yeah, he's cooped up in that thing, and you know, he just needs to run. You know, little Aussies need a lot of room to run, and they need to keep busy and all that stuff. So, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get off of here and crank up some tunes, and we will see you guys when we get to the park. Bye-bye. So there's a 5-foot loop we're gonna do, hey, around the lake, but it does take us up top of that there little mountain. But this is Devil's Lake here, Devil's Lake State Park. There's a lot of trails in here for sure, but there is a 5-mile loop that goes around the lake. Not just, I mean, it goes up top and up and down. There's about 1,000 foot of gate. Anyway, so you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get on the, it's cold, it's like not even 20 degrees with the wind chill. It's probably like 15, 16, I don't know, but it is cold. Anyway, we're gonna what are you doing down there? You just rolling around on the ice and eating it. Anyway, we're gonna get rolling, you guys. We'll see you here. We'll see you we'll see you down the trail. Bye. Alright, check this out. This is pretty cool. Part of this trail just comes right down along these tracks. But this is not as much, but check this out. Talk about a rock scramble. That would be so much fun. Not right now, but you know, in the summertime, that'd be fun to scramble. I'll tell you what, this still coming off the lake here. It's starting to snow. A lot more. Man, I don't know. My hands are frozen, especially my pinky. Let's go. All right, so hey, Max, you're all wound up. Come here. Come here. I'm fixing this leash more often than I need to, but okay, this is gonna be a little bit of a challenge as the trail goes right up in those rocks. However, it looks like there have been some stairs made, and I'm not sure. Baxter didn't do well the last time we had rock stairs, so check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this around and let you guys see what we're doing here. See what I can do. I think it's probably a decent trail. I'm sure they don't let kids run around up in these rocks like that, so they probably built something. So let's go check it out. Come on, let's go. Go this way. This way. Come on. Come on, Baxter. Come on, no, this way. Come on. You can do it. Let's go. No, not that way. Yeah, come this way. All right, let's go. Yeah, so they've carved out a pretty good trail here. I mean, there's some steep spots with the rock, and I actually got to pull Baxter up, or pick him up. Come on, bud, you can do it. Come on. See, here, he'll be all right here. Come on, you can do it. You can go up. You can do it. Jump. See, he's a little nervous to jump up. So, but yeah, it's a pretty good carved out trail for the most part. Come on, buddy. Come on. There you go. Good boy. Yeah, pretty fun, pretty neat. I like this trail. It's, my kind of deal. What are you doing? Come on. He's still nervous. Come on, bud. You're all right. The view's starting to get better. It's not as windy right here. I can still hear the wind howling though, but because once we came around the corner here, it lightened up. So, but I'm sure when we get on top, that'll change up. So, come on, bud. Heck yeah. Woohoo! So, we're going up to Balanced Rock. My guess is that rock right there is Balanced Rock. Of course, there's a lot of rocks up there balancing. I thought I heard water running, trickling. Oh man, a guy could get lost in these rocks. But yeah, this is cool. This would be a lot of fun in the summertime to scramble off trail. Don't do that. I wouldn't suggest it. However, there are some places where that is the trail is just wherever. Many mountains in Utah, there's a lot of rock scramble, a lot of stuff like this, but there's really not a marked trail anywhere. Come on, bud. You're all right. He's getting more nervous and more nervous, but man, this is super cool. All right, we're gonna get to moving again. All right, now it's a full-on snowing. We came up around the corner and it started snowing. Come on, oh, up here. Baxter's fighting me. He doesn't really want to go up. Come on. There we go, good boy. This is a little bit of a climb on these stairs here. Here, let me stick this out some more. There we go. Now you can see a little bit better. Okay, let's go. No, not down that way. You'll fall down far. No, let's keep going this way. But yeah, look at this. Yeah, it's I used to be able to see the lake, but across there, but not anymore. No, let's go this way, Baxter. Come on. There's some sketchy spots here. I got to be careful where I put my footing. I don't have my spikes. Well, I'll tell you what, somebody really put some time into building this trail. But anyhow, yeah, it's snowing. All right, we'll get him up there. We probably won't do it 5 miles. I don't know. We'll see what it's like when we get up there. But that trail is supposed to get a little flatter, I believe. So. He's super nervous right now. So I just gotta take my time with him. Be patient, huh, buddy? Poor Baxter. Nervous. We're almost to the top, however. It's actually starting to clear up just a little bit. You can see the lake down there. A little bit. You see the shoreline? There just a minute ago you couldn't see the shoreline. Anyway, there's the Balanced Rock right there. Oh, a little tree house up there. Or I mean a birdhouse. That's pretty cool. But so yeah, these rocks are slick. It's like, don't get near that edge. That will hurt. Well, look at that map and see what we're up against here. I mean, we're almost to the top, and I think it levels out and starts going downhill. That is pretty cool, though. Yeah, some people would stand out there next to that, get their picture taken. Not me, especially right now. Anyhow, let's see what sort of a view we can get. It's the cloud, or up in the clouds for sure on this rain or snowstorm. I gotta pay attention here. Yeah, it's starting to clear out here. Maybe because it's not supposed to do it. I didn't know it was supposed to do it that bad today. That's pretty neat. I suppose the years of eroding, I think at some point that thing might become a hazard. I don't know. Anyway, pretty cool. We'll take a look at that map and see what we're going to do. I think we're going to keep going up. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Hi everybody. All right, so we're almost to the top here. Just talked to a young couple, says we're almost to the top here. So, but I'll tell you what, this last climb here from the balanced rock, hit my mind. From the balanced rock at the climb up to here is no joke. It's heck, I don't think I've climbed something like this since I got off the Appalachian Trail. But you can, well, I don't know if you can see now, but it was steep. I don't know. Anyway, it was steep. But looks like that's coming to an end here right quick. All right, come on, buddy. Let's go. We're almost there. Baxter's doing a lot better too. I don't have to pull him up anymore. He's doing a good job. All right. Well, let's see where we're at up on top. See what kind of view we have. We're not quite to the top yet. However, that's pretty awesome. I'll have to take a still photo of that. Let's walk over here and see what we got. Everybody, I don't know if you can see this or not, but we are here. We are going to take this trail, the East Bluff Trail, Woods Trail, and this goes all the way around the lake and comes back down and down to where we were parked. So, but yeah, we're at the top, and that's what we're gonna do. Kind of show you around here. Ice Age Trail marker, and then there's him. Let's go. now that we're on top of the trail, it's like a trail, like a regular trail, and Puppy just wants to run. Oh no, but check this out. You guys, this is just lovely. Just lovely. Let me share this with you. Let's go. Hold up. Extra, slow down. All right, so this is by far the best hike yet here in Wisconsin. Of course, I've heard a lot about it, but I don't know why I didn't come sooner. I should have came in the fall when all the leaves were changing color, but it's just absolutely beautiful. Walking along this bluff. Look at that. Oh, I mean, you just can't get much better. I mean, I see lots of trees I could hang my hammock from. However, it's not allowed. Look at this guy. Come on. He's nervous because he sees that, you know, he can't see over the edge. He gets super nervous about that. Oh, hey, come on this way. There we go. All right, but you guys, so if you live in Wisconsin, you've never been here, you need to come here. If you've never been to Wisconsin, you need to make travel plans and either come here or come through here and stop by. This is a good hike. I love it. And look at this. The sun is out now. Look at that. I mean, we were going through that crazy little snowstorm there for 20 minutes, and that was insane. I thought I was going to do it all day. Like, it wasn't supposed to do that. So, but it's cleared up, and well, not completely cleared up, but it's I mean, I actually see more blue sky than above me, yeah, than clouds. But off in the distance, I can see clouds. Anyway, this is a nice hike through here. I mean, sure, that in the beginning, actually, there must have been at least a dozen, 15 people just walked through, but they were going the other direction. I'd rather go up what we came up than down, because especially when it's slippery. Yeah, because that could be bad. But anyhow, but yeah, this is a great hike, you guys. Absolutely phenomenal. Just beautiful in here. All right, everybody. All right, so spoke too soon. The calm before the storm. The wind has picked back up. The skies are no longer blue, and it's snowing again. Windy. Holy moly! But I think we're, I don't know, probably a quarter mile from being halfway. It's just under 4.8 miles. Holy. And we're somewhat exposed. We're right on the edge here. I hope this drops down fairly soon behind this ridge here. Oh. Anyhow, we're gonna get to moving. You really can't make this up. Heavy snowfall, and all of a sudden it opened up. Absolutely beautiful skies again, but I'm expecting it to change again. It wouldn't surprise me. All right, battery dead in the GoPro. I did bring another battery, but I don't take it out. Not gonna have a whole lot more video going on, so I'll just do it from my phone. But so this trail does go back up in there and up and around. However, I think we're gonna take the lower trail. It's this time around, and then we'll come back and do that along with some other stuff another time. So, but for now, we're going to take the lower trail, pretty much flat. This goes here at the base of the mountain here, along the lake. But it's about a mile long, whereas the other trail is a mile 1.4. But we got to go back up some rocks, I guess, again. And Baxter's freaked out about that already, so we'll come back on a nicer day, and we just got continuing to get hammered with snow and wind. So anyway, we'll Baxter, we'll see you guys in a bit. I suppose we could take the railroad tracks back. No, that's dumb. What are you looking on now? All right, how would this be? There's like 4 houses that I can see here. There's no road in here. It's just trail. How would that be, huh? To be able to live in a place like this? Okay, so I was wrong. There is somewhat of a road in here. I saw a sign that says parking, resident parking only. So there is a road into here. Not sure where it comes from, but anyway, my goodness. What a great spot to live. But there's 4 houses right there. I don't know. It's kind of interesting that there's 4 lined up there. I don't know if it's all owned by one person or who knows. But can't beat that. However, in the summertime, this place has just got to be loaded with people. Now, looks like there's a little parking area down here. People can drive in start hiking the trails. Looks like there's another house down here too. Anyway, we're getting close. We've still got to go around all that, and we are parked. Hey Baxter, we are parked over in there. So we've still got, that's got to be more than a mile. We've gone a mile. Anyhow, nonetheless, that's a fun hike right through there. That's really neat. I like it. But we're about done with this program. We ain't got too much. I mean, it's cold. I think it's cold. But it'll be for a wrap for the day, and we'll see what where tomorrow takes us. But, we'll see you guys here in just a bit when we get back to the truck. Alright, that was a little bit of a road walk back there. About a quarter mile. But holy cow, that wind has kicked up again. Look at that. Woo! Now we're on this little boardwalk thing. This is pretty cool. Yeah, we're sitting. Ooh, are you guys dizzy yet? Oh my gosh, we're almost back. We're but a few hundred feet away from being in the vehicle, but this wind is just brutal. Right to the bone. But just passed a couple of folks. We passed on the other side. Like, hello again. But anyhow, I'm gonna get off of here. We're done. But I don't know, maybe 300 feet, I think, ish. So you guys, hey, thanks for watching. If you guys have not yet subscribed, please do. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.